Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Bijay and I am a Microsoft MVP specialist in SharePoint. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can create Azure free account. Basically, these are the things that we are going to cover in this video. What you will get with the Azure free account, how we can create a Azure free account, and then how we can create a Azure free account without credit card, how we can remove credit card from Azure, and then also sometimes we could not able to delete credit card, and then we'll see how we can cancel Azure subscription. So these are the things that we are going to cover in this video. Now let's first understand what you will get with this Azure free account. So as you can see here, you will get a lot of free products and services for 12 months. That means when you will sign up for Azure free account, that will be valid for 12 months, not like 30 days with Office 365 subscriptions you have. Apart from that, you are going to get 200 USD or dollar Azure credit for first 30 days. So you can utilize that money in the first 30 days. You can use that credit in Azure. Apart from that, there will be 25 plus services which are always free. You will get 10 web, mobile, or API apps, 5 GB blob storage where you can store unstructured data, 5 GB file storage. You can have 250 GB of SQL database. That means you can create up to size of 250 GB. Similarly, you can create or you can transfer bandwidth, which will get is 15 GB. There will be 750 hours of Windows Virtual Machine or the VM, and then 750 hours Linux Virtual Machine. So you'll get that thing also. You will get free batch jobs. You will get free SQL Server 2017 Developer Edition, free Visual Studio Code, which is of course free always, free machine learning server, free dev test labs, free load balancer, and a lot more things. Apart from that, you will get a lot of services related to AI and machine learning. So there will be 10,000 plus document searches, 500 minutes of automation job runtime. You can get 1 lakh operations per month event grid. So similarly, 1 lakh, more than 10 lakh requests per month in functions, and there will be 50,000 transactions for AI plus machine learning, uh, 20,000 transactions on sorry, 10,000 transactions on content moderator. So there are various AI related stuffs you'll get on that as well. So this kind of things you'll get when you will sign up for an Office 365, sorry, when you will sign up an Azure free account. The next thing is I will not be able to show it on this because I have already signed up with this account. I have the screenshot step by step. Let me explain that. You will not get anything different apart from that what I'll explain here. First of all, what are the things that you required to create an Azure free account? You require a Hotmail or Outlook account, which is absolutely free. So you can actually sign up for that. And then you can, if you don't have a Hotmail or Outlook account, you can sign up, and then you can you require that your username or email address and the password, or you can have your Skype and Skype account details, means username, password. If you have, you can put that. You require a mobile number, and or you require a GitHub account. So if you have a GitHub account, you can also sign up with that, and you can go to this URL azure.microsoft.com/enus and then free. This is the URL where you can sign up a free Azure account. Uh, the best thing is I would suggest you go for one account, either Hotmail or Outlook or Skype account, and that's enough. And mobile number is important because that's what you have to verify that. Remember, this approach you require credit card, so make sure that thing also be ready. Now, when you will navigate to this URL, you will see something like this where you can click on Start Free, and then you can provide your Outlook ID, and then when you'll do next, then it will create, it will ask for the password, and once you put the password, then you will come up with this screen where first thing it will ask you about you, where it will ask you the personal details. Like in this case, if you can see here, country, region, first name, last name, email address, phone number, city, zip code, um, uh, all these things it will ask, and then it will ask you to verify. So this is quite important. You have to put a valid phone number, because either through call or through text message you have to validate it. So you can see in this case I put the verification code and then click on that, then it verified. And next thing is the credit card thing, which is quite important as well. Make sure you have a valid credit card. You can put the cardholder name, the card number, expiry date, CVV number, address line, these things you'll put. Make sure you put this, because once you put this, then actually it will deduct a very minimal fee from your credit card, just to make sure that your card is valid. So if you'll see here in this case, just 2 rupees in Indian currency, it actually deducted. And then once you do that, then you can see here, you will come up with the agreement. Just tick on that, then click on sign up. So it will take some time and it will set up our account, and that's it. Our Azure is ready now. So if you'll see here, our Azure is ready now. You can click on here, go to portal, or anytime you can open the browser and you can navigate to portal.azure.com, and then you will be able to go to your Azure account. I'll show you shortly. I have that open now. And then next question comes, how we can create a Azure free account without credit card. So in this case, we don't require a credit card, but you require a school account or a school email address. And so if you don't have, then you cannot do that, obviously. So if you have a school account, so this is for the students. If you have a school account email ID, then you can navigate to this URL. You can see here free/students, and in this case you will get 100 Azure credits, and then a few products and services. As I said, you can get the developer tools like Visual Studio Code, SQL Server Developer Edition. You'll get machine learning free workspace. You'll get Linux virtual machine of 750 hours, Windows virtual machine of 750 hours, 10 wave mobile or APIs apps. You'll get 5 GB blob storage, 5 GB file storage, machine learning server developer tools, and lots of AI and machine learning features you will get on this. So in this case, as I said, you don't need a credit card for sure. And now we will see actually how we can remove this credit card from Azure, or how we can cancel it. And then I will show you why sometimes it doesn't allow us to delete the credit card. Now let me open my Azure portal. So this is the same portal that I have actually created. So you can see here, this is the same. I have done a free sign up with my credit card in this case. And if you'll see here, this is my Azure portal page, from where you can get various services. You can see here virtual machine, app services, storage accounts, SQL database, Azure SQL, Azure database. So all these services you can see here. You will be able to see your subscription details. And so you can see here, there is a cost management is there. Click on this, and then when you will see the cost management, then you can see here, go to subscription. So once you click on go to subscription, here you'll be able to see your subscription details. For example, in this case, if you want to, this is your subscription details. Now you can see here, I have already canceled it. So it is saying reactivate it. Else you will see the option where actually you can cancel it. So the option it will show you, actually it will show you cancel subscription. Since it's already cancelled, now it is showing reactivate, so you can do that. And when you will actually click on cancel subscription, then it will take you another page where you can just type the subscription name and then reason, and then you can click on cancel. So when actually you will cancel, the data will be there for 30 days. You will receive a email also for the same, and after 30 days the data will get deleted from there. So that is how you can cancel, or you can reactivate. Anytime you can come here, you can reactivate that. So this way you can cancel. And if you want to delete your credit card, then you can see here, you will go to the payment methods here. You can see in the left side in the same page, you have the payment methods. Click on that. And then in this payment method, you'll be able to see your credit card here, and you can select the credit card and you can delete it. But let it load and then I'll tell you what is the problem here. So now if you will actually look at this, I have this credit card, you can see here. I can select it and I can delete it. Ideally, I should be able to delete it. Why I cannot delete it? Because you have to actually set up another payment method, then only you can delete it. So if you have a single method, then you will not be able to delete it. So anytime you can click on this add new method, and then you will be able to add new methods, new payment methods. And then once you add another payment method, then you can actually delete single. You can select a your credit card and then click on delete, and then that time it will be the delete option will be enabled. So anytime you can come here and delete, provided you have to, anytime you have to add one additional methods. Else what you can do is you can actually cancel your subscription, as told you in the previous step, and then this thing will be after 30 days it will get deleted. And so this is how we can actually have a free trial, that or free, you can say, subscription for Azure, which will be available for 12 months. But if you have a Office 365 site or Office 365 subscription, you will get actually Azure free over there. So you don't need to create these things. So uh, if you are doing as a SharePoint developer, then probably you should have already an Office 365 subscription, either E3 or E5, or a developer a tenant. You should have a developer program where that will also a E5 subscription. In those scenarios, you don't need to go for a trial sign up for 12 months for this Azure. But if you don't have Office 365 subscription, then this is really helpful, where you can access Azure services for 12 months. So if you like our videos, then kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will get a lot of free videos on Azure, on SharePoint, Office 365, SPFX, Power Apps, Power BI, all these Power Automate, all these Microsoft technologies. You will get a lot of free videos, and these are our website. Keep visiting on that. And then this is the Twitter handles, LinkedIn and Facebook pages. Do like, subscribe, and also comment in our videos. And thank you and have a nice day.